Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a forward outside into inside Choctaw, one of the most basic and easiest. And yeah, so let's go. We're first just starting off in an outside edge and then changing into inside backwards, keeping the leg in front of us, and then we're holding for a whole circle. So one more time, we're doing an outside edge, holding the leg back, then we're kind of swinging it forward, and then we're going to make the change, leaving the front leg in front and just doing a back inside edge, holding for a whole circle. And you want to really make sure that your arms and shoulders are in the same line as your hips the entire time. So one more look at the feet. So outside edge into inside, holding. By holding the back inside edge for a whole circle, we are just making sure that we're more stabilized and our edges are also more stabilized. Here I'm just showing it on the other side. If you want to make this exercise on a line, what you can do after you hold the inside edge is to make an exit the other way and then continue again with the outside forward edge. Your balance is a little bit behind as you're swinging, but then as you come for the back, you have your weight a little bit in front of your knees. Now to add a little bit more difficulty, we're doing the same thing, a little bit more faster. And after we hold the inside backward edge, we are going forward. So again, outside edge, swing, change to back, and then we're going to change onto the other leg, forward outside edge. So now the other side, so forward outside edge, back inside, change onto the other leg. One more time. Forward outside edge, change back inside, and then changing onto the other leg, forward outside edge. Next exercise is going to help you to learn this different variation of the Choctaw. So what we're doing is we are just going on the outside edge as usual. So swinging, arms are in the same line as the hips, changing back, leg is forward, and then we bring it back, still keeping the back inside edge. So one more time, the other side. So outside edge, change back inside, bringing the leg forward, and then back and holding. Again, your arms are in the same line as your hips, really trying to stretch your legs and pointing your toe everywhere. And now for the full variation, when you bring your leg back in the back inside edge. So again, like everything, forward outside edge. And then we are gonna swing a little bit, creating momentum, change back inside, and the leg will go immediately back. So one more time on the other side. Forward outside edge, change, leg goes straight and immediately back. The arms are still staying in the same line as the hips, they do not change, but to add a little bit more fun, you can add some arms or something. So yeah, that is it for today for the forward outside Choctaw. I would like to cover some more Choctaw, so if you'd be interested in that, please let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!